Hey guys, Sidney here. So trying to match the colors of different clips can be very challenging, especially if those clips come from different cameras. Fortunately, there's a really easy way to match the colors with those different clips by a simple click of a button. All right, so these two clips over here were shot on different cameras. This shot was filmed on the Sony a7 III, and this shot was filmed on the Canon 80D. Now this clip is already color corrected and color graded, but this clip is not. So to match those colors easily, just open up the Lumetri color panel, click on the color wheels and match tab, and click comparison view. So now you see a side-by-side comparison of two different clips. This clip over here represents the colors that you want to copy onto this clip over here. This is at the wrong time marker, and the colors that I want to copy is in this clip, which is at the 1 minute 20 second marker. So I'm just going to grab the slider tool and go to the 1 minute 20 second marker about over here. And then to quickly apply these colors over this clip, just go over to your Lumetri color panel, click apply match, let it analyze, and then boom, and now your colors are matched. Now it's not 100% accurate all the time, and so you can make further adjustments, but it's a great starting point if you want to match the colors from two different clips. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully this tip helps you match the colors with your different clips. And also make sure to watch the other videos in this series to help you better edit your videos.